I can control them from the back, too. It's not easy to do. Hi, guys.
How do you get the other one in?
It's complicated. Should I help you? I'm gonna flash everybody.
Here. Do you have them in your armpits?
I have them going down behind my back, so I can go. Hey.
Hi guys, and welcome to David Christopher's.
I'm waving at the people. Yeah, hung guard. Got your hair. Oh gosh. I don't have the core strength for that.
Okay. Woo!
We're just gonna put some things in the tree. Get in there. Made opposable thumbs.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
10 out of 10.
Hey everybody, and welcome to David Christopher's. As you can see, we have already gotten into the open house delusional time of year, but it's coming up. It starts November the 3rd, and we're going to have great deals online and in store. So if you've never shopped with us before, expect some amazing deals. But for today, we have a treat to get together, and this treat is our milk and cookies, or Santa's milk and cookies treat,
Santa's
right?
milk and cookies, yeah. It's
And
possessive.
Yeah. Santa's milk and cookies, apostrophe S. And just a little note for all of you who are doing your Christmas cards this year, you don't have an apostrophe S on your name. Like the Smiths is just S-M-I-T-H-S. No apostrophe, unless you're saying the Smiths.
Christmas card.
Yeah, the Smiths Christmas card. No.
I would do it.
There are some special ways to do that if your name ends in S, or you need to add an ES or things like that. But you can Google it and it's there. But that's a great tip, I think, for this holiday season and Christmas card giving. It has nothing to do with Christmas trees, but it has to do with Christmas.
Or just add an S, no apostrophe.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Smiths. Wait.
But we don't send a
What if
Christmas card.
What if your name ends in S?
That's what I said. You have to look up some special rules about that. You sometimes add an ES. But
Like David Christopher's is...
we don't send Christmas cards. We send Valentine's Day cards.
It's true.
So, because Christmas is so wild and crazy for us that we send Valentine's Day cards instead. So anyway, without further ado, let's get started on this video and this amazing treat.
So if you decide that you don't want just snowman arms and you actually want to use these candy striped manzanita branches, well, I think we're calling them candy branches, are wired individually. So all of these little individual pieces are extremely good and wired, and then the branch itself has a very stiff wire in it. So these are going to be great for our tree, because we can hang ornaments off of them. So these are going to be an awesome addition to our tree, as they would also be great for snowman arms until you need your thumbs. So. We also have small ones, so I guess if you need, you know, tiny snowman hands, arms. This one actually has a little bit of a faint pink tint to it. So the other one's pure white. This one's just barely pink. A lot of people are using it for red and white, but it's got just enough pink in it that it's going to work well with our theme here.
And red and pink are very hot colors this season. So,
we have a darker one. We have light pink, and then we have red pink or red light pink.
Yeah, that's nice to see them side by side so you know the difference. Ooh, that looks much better. Yay! Wow, so tell us what you did here. Made a few changes.
After a brief intermission,
Brief permission.
we're going to continue decorating this tree.
You're like out of breath.
It's been a while, 30 minutes. Trying to hang a new wall, paint walls.
Well,
Move
it just
everything
was
around.
not looking good in the camera lens. And
I get it.
Yeah. Oh no.
It's dry, it's okay.
Okay. What a day.
200mm shiny red balls. Frosted 150mm 6-inch ball. Fuzzy pom-pom balls. Now for the cookie part of our milk and cookies tree, so I guess the rest of it's more pepperminty, but we're going to be adding our brown, so I've got like holly leaves and then cookies with little bows, gingerbread men. I think I've got some gingerbread poinsettias somewhere, so we're going to add those. Now we're going to add this striped ribbon that's got this flocked stripe in it that has a little bit of glitter in the stripe.
We are in our retail store, so we are going to go through the ribbon fairly quickly. If you want a more detailed tutorial, you can check out our ribbons and bows playlist, and David will walk you through step by step several different techniques and ways to put ribbon in your tree. Because for the sake of time, we're just gonna zip right through this.
A few more large ornaments, red glitter with peppermint stripe twine. Fabric, very homemade looking fabric garland that's got red pom-poms and red and white fabric squares cut out in it. And great paint on my hands, but it's dry, it's good. This is great stuff to just kind of tuck in and find a good spot here. So we can just kind of put this loop around some pine up here, and then we're just going to let it kind of lay in the tree and wrap around. But just remember to kind of, bad stuff there. Just tuck it in and then let it kind of, maybe use a piece of pine to let it disappear a little bit and then kind of come back out so that it doesn't just hang at the same depth all over. You want it to kind of go in and out. Peppermint striped donut spray. Big plastic candy ornaments. Our Santa suit poinsettia, red velvet, deep red velvet with white, clear glitter and sequins and pearls. Now to add some of our new glass Santas. This is a great time to use those branches that we added to get some things really hanging out from the tree, so you get some real dimension and highlight those items.
While David is adding the last bit of product to this beautiful Santa's Milk and Cookies tree, remember that everything you see can be found at shopdavidchristofers.com. If you check out the description, you're going to see a link to this whole collection, so it makes it very easy to find each individual thing that you're looking for, and you don't have to look through tons and tons of items on our website.
And you can flip through as many pages as you want.
Yes, you
Because
can.
there's 5,000 things on there.
But if you want to make it easy, check out the link in the description.
I don't take the easy way.
Never. Looking super cute. This tree is so fun.
Red mercury glass. Real glass.
The final touch.
Just to add a little extra pop of red here and there. I decided to add one last item. I already added most of them, but I just wanted a little extra dark red pop in my tree.
And there you have it. Santa's Milk and Cookies tree is all complete, filled with red, white, and of course Santa, because you can't have a milk and cookies tree without him. So he is there, and we hope you all will join us for our open house November the 3rd through the 9th. We're going to have some online sales as well as lots of in-store big sales. It's a wonderful time of year. We have the whole store decorated. We're in our retail store today, so if you heard noises in the background,
That's probably
why. We don't have a studio. We don't make YouTube videos for a living. We just do this to get our products in front of you so that you know how to use them and to hopefully inspire you when you start decorating, and also to, you know, just kind of show you what you could do if you have your own store, because some people watch our channel that have their own storefronts, so that's always fun.
Yeah.
And we're hoping to do a little bit of a store tour next week.
I'm not as hopeful.
In the next
I have a
couple
lot
of
to
weeks.
do, and I'm still shipping things during the day. So at night, I'm decorating trees and trying to get the store ready.
Well, in the next couple of weeks, we hope to be able to bring a store tour to you, because a lot of people ask for that, so we can kind of show you around and show you what all, in case you can't make it and you're just watching the videos and shopping online with us, which we appreciate greatly. And we hope that the rest of your week goes amazingly well, that you're surrounded by people that encourage you, that love you, and that you can focus on the positive, because that's what we are choosing to do as we gear up for another crazy week before open house starts.
I'm gonna go take a nap. I'm just gonna go pull orders.
No naps in your future.
No nap.
Till next time. Bye.
Where's my arm?
Your arms.
Running out of arms.
We're out of arms. Right here. Bye.